All right. Hello everyone. This is a tutorial on how to use Inshot. Inshot is an app where you can edit your videos and also create photo content just right on your mobile phone. So you see right on your phone. So once I just click on it, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to edit videos on your phone, and you can also add your logo on it. All right, so let's go into it. So I'm going to create a new video. I'll click on new, and you can just scroll to your gallery just to see the video you want to edit. I'll just select the video and let's see how this goes. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this video. I'm going to edit this video one here, the ones I've selected. I will edit and then I will show you what to do when it comes to putting everything together. So now I've selected all the videos I need to edit. So I've selected all the videos I need to edit, and if I just scroll through the timeline, you can see that all the videos are merged together. Now it's gonna be a long video because it's gonna take like almost 3 minutes, but I don't need all the clips, in each video. So what I need to do is so for me to identify the clip that I selected, I can easily click on it. So now I just clicked on one video. It shows that I have 5 videos that I selected. So with this video, if I don't want the sound, I can reduce the sound totally. That's to the end. And if I need a little bit out of the sound, I can increase it. Can you see that? So I don't need any of the sound because I don't want to use sound for this exact video. I have reduced it. So I can then go back to it. Now it's playing. So another thing I want to do again is I want to increase the speed. I don't want it to be too slow because I'm not using the original sound for it. I can increase the speed and then leave it at 1.6. And as you can see, the video, once I click on play, you can see the video is moving fast. I'm so sorry. Okay. I see the video is moving fast. So now I can then decide to move on to the next video. What do I want to do next? I'll click on it. I don't want the sound. I'll reduce the sound. I don't want the sound. I'll reduce the sound. I don't want this one to the same thing. I can decide to reduce the sound. Now you can also shuffle. What I mean by shuffle is that I selected the videos, but I have like a story line in my head. I don't want to start the video with people, at the beginning. So I can then move this video that shows YouTube. I can then move it to the first slide. Did you see that? You can hold on, take a long press and then move it around. A long press and then, so I took it from the last, now it's now at the beginning. Now if I click on it, I can still trim it because it's a little bit long. I can trim the length and just reduce it and then click OK. So now you can see that my timeliner is showing that my video is starting from YouTube. Now I've clicked on YouTube. Can you see it's shorter and then it moves to the next video? Can you see that? So like I said, you can actually increase the speed. If you feel it's too slow, you can increase the speed. You can work on that. And then the next thing now that I need to do is I've removed all the sound. So now I need to add my music. Then I can click on this icon that says music. I can click on the icon. Now you have pre-installed soundtracks already on Inshot. You can also decide to use your own music. So I have like some downloaded music on my phone. So yeah, I can use this one. So now I've clicked on it. So now I've clicked on it, and once I click play, I'm sure you guys can hear the sound. So now you can also add some things to the sound, the music. If you want to reduce the volume, if you want fade in, fade out, you can decide on what you want. I mean, depending on your mood, on how you want to edit your video. So I'm just going to reduce the volume a little bit and then add to it. So now I'm done with the music aspect. So another thing again that you can do is to add text to it. What would you say? YouTube video. Oh, sorry, not YouTube video. I would say Funke Akindele at YouTube. I'll just put something. All right, so I just typed my title for it, which is Funke Akindele at YouTube Week. So I can decide to change the label, which is, I'll just click on label. I can decide to change the label to maybe black. because okay, yeah, so that's the label, it's in black. So I can then decide to move it exactly to where I want it to be. It might be up, it might be down. I can also reduce the, can you see that? You can also reduce it and just place it by the side. Now, a good thing about InShot is that once you have that, you can see the text now is on the timeline. Do you want it to start from the beginning, or you just want it to have like a feel from the beginning? So now I'm going to move this so that you can see the effect of this text in this video. Can you see that? And then it stops. So now I can decide to even extend it a little bit. I can decide to extend the text a little bit. And then if I double click on the text, it takes me to this icon here. I can click on this last icon and add like a transition to it, an effect that would also help the video look nice. So I've selected an effect for it. Now I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to put this visibly so that people can see what I'm saying exactly. Yeah, so I can just put this here. Okay, so now I'm going to start by playing. Can you see that? It gives you that effect, on your with the text on your screen or on your video. It gives you that effect. It gives you that total effect, and it feels like you're working. It feels like you're working on Adobe Premiere Pro, or you're working on Final Cut. So this is just on your phone. So it gives you that effect. Now another thing again that you can add is, now I'm going to arrange this. It's not good. It's not really good showing just right in the middle there. But I'm going to arrange it and maybe just put it by the side here, and I'll check it again. So that's it. So another thing that you can do is to add your logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this smiley icon and then click on gallery, go to downloads. Then once I click on download, I'll then look for the logo, click on it, adjust it to the size that I want it to, and then put it maybe somewhere right there at the corner. So now you can see that I clicked on the smiley icon. I went to get the logo and everything. You can see that's created on that timeline on top of the text timeline. So now I want the logo to stay till the end. So what I did is I click on the arrow just by my right hand here, and I'll click on video end. Okay, I'll do that again. Video end. So now it has extended to the end of the video. So the logo is going to show to the end of the video. So right now this is one way whereby you can use InShot, for creating content. You can also maximize other tools on it and see how best you can make use of this, by using the speed option. You have the background, you have the canvas. Like the canvas, my canvas is on full frame. You understand? My canvas is on full frame. What else again? You can also filter if you want to adjust, if you want to use effects. You can just walk around it and make the best use of it. So that's just it. This is one way you can actually use InShot to create content.